GSG presents Whiting Wednesday.
I'm Mark Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today in the GSG Applications Lab, what we're going to be printing is International Coatings Silver Metallic Ink. We're going to print it on its own, so we have a nice lustrous silver print, and then we're going to tint it with blue pigment to give us a tonal value that is in metallic. Our first screen is going to be an 86 mesh. We're going to use a 70 durometer squeegee. We're going to double stroke the International Coatings Silver Metallic. We're going to run this about 40 psi, and this is going to be our first layer that goes down. After we do our first print, we're going to go ahead and flash this. We're going to flash it at 280 degrees, and we're going to flash this for 4 seconds. Now that we flashed our metallic silver, we're going to go ahead and print our second color, which is going to be the International Coatings Metallic Silver, and I went ahead and tinted it with 5% blue pigment concentrate. Again, we're going to go through an 86 mesh screen. This time we're going to use a 60 durometer squeegee just to lay a little more of the ink down, and it's going to give us that really nice silver to silver blue tonal value that we're looking for. Now that we have our shirt printed, we're going to go ahead and run it through the dryer. The International Coatings Metallic Silver and the metallic silver with the blue pigment is going to cure at standard 320 degrees, so that's what we'll run it through at. And there you have it, a tonal metallic silver print using the International Coatings Metallic Silver, tinted with blue pigment and printed on its own. It has a really nice luster to it, has some really good shine. For more tips and information on screen printing, visit GoGSG.com, follow us on social media, and we'll see you next time.